Eva Trades.
Welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. This is where I'm going to trade in a simulator to practice my risk management strategy. So we're going to trade a little bit. I'm going to break down some charts first before that. And right now, let's go take a look at the progress. And welcome to Eva Trades. Remember, day trading is risky, so please practice in your strategy in a simulator before you put real money on the line. And so here's a look at my progress so far. I'll go to the website here, and you can see I'm up pretty close to my highs of several days ago before I kind of fell flat on my face and lost a bunch. But I'm just kind of curious now. So my high here was 1167. So 1167 or 11. No, not 11. So 1677 was my high there. My high here is 1416. I just want to see how much do I need to make today. So $261 it looks like. That's how much I need to make today in order to get to the all-time highs in my account. Of course, this is not about really making money. It's more about following the rules, and when things break down, did I break the rules, and do I need to make more rules? Do I need to make the rules better? That's what I'm trying to focus on more with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts over here on the other computer. I have ONCS as the leading gapper this morning. So this is November 22nd, and I'm going to go ahead and just push play. We have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. So I want to start out by looking at a larger time frame. Here's the hourly time frame. We have an inside bar that favors the bears, and I say that because we're in the lower range of this last candle. Excuse me. And so what we're looking for at here on the 15-minute, it's basically an equilibrium with this high right here. We broke through it a little bit, and typically in an equilibrium, you want to stay within the range, like this range here. But we broke a little, so it's a little choppy, but the point is it didn't hold up. And so now we're looking for some higher low above 621 or 616. I understand it could be choppy. Maybe we might actually get down to 616, but from here in this area, we want to bounce. Bulls want to see a bounce to be able to break back over the highs and break this equilibrium bullish. Bears, on the other hand, let's look at the smaller time frame now, the 5-minute time frame. So we do have a bit of a 5-minute downtrend. Kind of, it's choppy. Right here, we had this move through the high, and we pulled back. Bulls got their higher low and higher high, but they couldn't follow through and break through this high. Instead, the bears came in, pushed the price down, so now we got some lower highs here. Bears looking for a bear flag and another lower high and continuation down. Bulls want to see a trend change on the 1-minute time frame. And we kind of do have one with this higher low and higher high, but it's still in equilibrium. We're still trading within a range. Until then, okay, there we go. So you got an official trend change for the bulls on the 1-minute time frame. So our temporary bottom on the 5-minute is currently set because of that. So now this could be the lower high. I'd be looking for a lower high. So keeping an eye out for that. PALI, what time is it here? We have 3 minutes to go, so we're good. PALI, just consolidating, didn't form any support on the way up, so it's hard to say where we might find support. A bounce area, say 271 on the 1-minute time frame, maybe. That's a possibility. Another thing I wanted to look at here on ONCS is it looks like we have us a falling wedge, and we do. Oftentimes a falling wedge can be an indication that the bottom is in on consolidation, and you might be seeing a reversal take place. Well, we'll see if that happens here. Okay, so ANF made that nice move over the highs, pulled back. Bulls looking for a higher low and getting it. Anything above I hate it when that happens. Anything above 21.25 was a higher low, so we did get the higher low. So are we going to break straight through the high here? What I would like to see, yeah, we are. I would rather see us top out somewhere below that, pull back and consolidate, and then break out. So let's see if we hold up on this. Maybe we will, but typically a lot of times what I'll see is when you just break straight through, the bulls run out of steam, you run out of buyers, and the price can often come crashing back down. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe that holds up and I can take a trade on it when the market opens here. We have another minute to go. Okay, so that's about it for the technical analysis. What am I looking for again? ONCS, looking for that higher low on the 15-minute. PALI, we're looking for that place where we might bounce from. We don't know where that's at because we didn't form a support on the way up. And ANF, we're looking to see if we can hold that break of 2240, or do we pull back and consolidate now, or will it come crashing down? Okay. So we have 30 seconds to go until the market opens. Zoom in on this 5-minute. Keep an eye on that. Just remember here, the bears might be looking, the bears are looking for a lower high and a lower low. Bulls would like to see a nice breakout over 655 and 658. You also have 645 on the 1 minute. Oh, there's that break. Breaking down. So you got that lower high and lower low. Look at the bulls buying the dip though for the moment. Oh, and we did get that big move down on ANF, so it did kind of come crashing down on us. And it looks like PALI bouncing for the moment, but trading below the VWAP. I better set up some candle ranges here. My stop or loss parameters. I'm not sure about PALI, but I'm going to take a starter on it there. That was a pretty nice move. See what we do here at the VWAP. Oops, I tried to add on the pullback and it shot up. So there's $3. See that move. Let's see if we pull back to the VWAP. Place to add right there. So I added. Breaking back above 3. Nice. And there we go. I'm selling. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it. I'm in on ONCS there. See if we could get a good bounce off of that support line. So I'm buying again at $3 on PALI. Might add if we start to break out here. No, I'm going to get back out of that. Got a bear flag over there on ANF at the moment. Oh, look at this. I added on ONCS, looking for the break through the high of day, which is at 647. My stop loss is way too tight over here on ANF. I'm going to exit one of those just to be on the safe side. Sell it right there. Got lucky on ANF that I didn't take a bigger loss than I did. Breaking down there, losing $315 on ONCS. Oh, that's disheartening because that means I have to be done for the day. I wasn't paying attention, ladies and gentlemen. I lost track of my orders. I gave back too much money. I would have rather have only given back half. Well, that's a bummer. I was sitting there at all-time highs in my account. So $410 plus $25 equals $435 minus $315 puts me at $120 on the day. You know, a green day is a green day, but in my rules here, if you remember, I said that if I hit my daily goal but give back half, I have to stop. And I did hit my daily goal and I went beyond, but I have given back half. So if I take another trade and it becomes a loser, then what I'm going to have is a really small green day. That's too bad because it really seems like there's more here. I played ONCS too aggressively, and then I didn't pay attention to it after I got into those trades. And maybe it's going to break out here. ANF looking like it wants to maybe break out. Oh, look at ONCS. I'm really glad that I stopped. I mean, can you imagine if I had tried to jump in this again? I'd be red on the day right now. Because I wanted to jump in it for the break through the high. Now, PALI looking good. We got a higher low, looking for a higher high. I'd be getting in it right now. Looking to sell as we break through the highs. This one here too, maybe I'd be getting into it. You have a high a day of 22.58. Here goes PALI. Do we get the break? Oh, damn, there it is. So, yeah, that would have been really nice. So the potential was there today. I just, bad timing over here on ONCS. Got caught up in all this chop. That's really too bad. This could have been a pretty big green day. But as it is, I'm going to have to stop. See, I'd want to get in right there on that dip trade and then try to sell it as if the price comes up over the top of 318. And there you go, 318. Can we get over 318? The high of that candle is 319. Yep, there we go. Wow. Missing some great opportunity there. It's really hard to not want to just like FOMO in, you know? Well, I'm not upset about it though. I made 100, did I say 120? Is that what I made today? $120. Let's put that in. I was playing around with this earlier. I was like typing in numbers like, what if I made 220 and, you know, whatever else, you know. But I ended up making 120. And the date is 11/22. So, well, it gets me closer. That means tomorrow, if I hit my daily goal, I'll for sure be at my all-time account highs. If I hit $200 tomorrow, there it is. All right. So I got my work cut out for me. All-time highs, next video, right? We're going to do it. Looks like PALI over here just got halted. Boy, I hate that I'm missing out on this momentum. And look, we did break out on ONCS here, but it failed. And now looking for a breakout on ANF after this higher low. See this tightening range? I want to show you this. See that? Oh, must have moved. My line didn't. There you go. There's your tightening range. High, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low. Just tightening up. Right now, bulls want to hold 2185 and get that break through these resistances up through here. Just want to break straight through. See, it's an inside bar on the larger time frame. And I say it all the time. If you have an inside bar in a larger time frame, you usually have an equilibrium on a smaller time frame. Breaking down big time now on ONCS. So I think one thing to take away from the trading on ONCS is that I wasn't paying attention to how many positions I'd gotten myself into. I didn't realize I was risking $300. I was in 3 times. Because in my mind, we were going to break the highs and I was going to make money. That's where my mindset was. We were coming up to it. I was jumping in it, adding as we were moving up, and thought we were going to break through, and we didn't. And then I got distracted over here on the other stock, and before I knew it, I was stopped out. So bears for the moment. So this equilibrium is extended out now. It's extending itself out more than you'd want to see. And to me, I always find that kind of favors a bearish move. We'll watch it and see what happens. Maybe we get the bull break. What time is it? So we have a new 5-minute candle. So now I don't like that on the 5-minute time frame, what we see here. But you know, we could still break. This inside bar here favors the bulls because we're at the top of the range of this last candle. So let's see what happens. With that, resumption on PALI will be at 642. So bulls trying to break here. And when I say break, they need to break 2258 and 2248. Excuse me. Wouldn't be surprised now to see a downtrend established on ONCS on the 1-minute time frame. Taking a while for ANF to do its thing, but we'll see if it does. So bears giving it a try here. Got to hold. Don't have to, but would like to hold 2193. Yeah, this equilibrium is way more extended than what I would want. I don't trust it at the moment. Usually you want an A, B, C, D breakout. You don't want this blah, 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 blah. No, no, no. So PALI should be resuming anytime. We got halted at 375 but on lower volume. And if it's a 10-minute halt, then you'd have to wait till 647, and I'm not going to do that. I want to get out of here. Because I am done trading for the day. Yeah, it's going to be a 10-minute halt. It should have resumed already. So resumption did not happen. Should we wait and see if ANF breaks out? No, I'm not going to. It might do it. I'm expecting it to possibly break out and fail. So that's it for me. Up $120 on the day. Not going to break my rules by giving back more than I should. So that'll be it. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.